Hi everyone, Esteban here at FlexPipe. Today let's talk about the HJ-11. So this is going to be a connector that we can go ahead and utilize for all kinds of paneling solutions. I feel that it's really good to be able to slide as well as pivot and turn. So panels, sliding, slide outs, doors, pocket doors, all kinds of different setups that can be achieved with this HJ-11 connector. It works with the AP Hinge plastic or the AP Hinge aluminum. The AP Hinge plastic is going to clip on, and the AP Hinge aluminum is going to slide into place prior to fixing the connector. So takeaway there, make sure that you slide this into place before fixing your connectors in order to be able to install the HJ-11. The AP Hinge can be clipped into place and then have the connector installed. So either of the two, it really depends on what you're trying to do. The AP Hinge will be able to, the plastic will have a little more friction, so it'll turn a little bit harder, but it does still pivot very well. And then the AP Hinge aluminum will definitely spin freely, and it's very loose, so again, it's going to be great for sliding type setups. The HJ-11 connector works with the M12 12mm bolt and the standard nut that we use here for all of our connectors. So we're going to go ahead and fix those two together in order to be able to install the connector. And whichever of the two you decide to do with the hinges here, the basic setup is to be able to engage the teeth properly in the grooves here, and then be able to use the dovetails to go ahead and clip this on in order to be able to now go ahead and fix your bolt and your nuts. So whichever of the two, then we can go ahead and think about adding different types of surfaces depending on the thickness here, right? We want to go ahead and be able to maybe fix this with a bolt, maybe fix this with a screw if your thickness is thick enough. So it really depends on what kind of setup you're trying to do and how you're going to be fixing it to the flat portion of the HJ-11s, okay? So think about panels, think about doors. Pocket doors seems to be a really cool idea that I've been thinking about lately. So anything that needs to slide or pivot, this is really a very nice way to add a panel to and make that part of your structure. From there, if you want to go ahead and use it in the door-like setup where you're going to be basically opening up a door, then maybe think about adding a stopper. Something simple as an AO shim with a self-tap metal screw can do the job in order to prevent this from sliding further down than it needs to. Or even if it was in a horizontal position, it would also work as a stopper in that case as well. So it all depends on what you're trying to do, but again, anything that needs to slide, anything that needs to pivot, this is a pretty good way to go about finding a solution if you need to add some kind of a panel in order to create maybe a door or a slide out table. All those things can be done with the HJ-11. So that is it for today, and I'll see you guys for the next one.